I so much for coming
Tech,
too.
like for always being there to support every tech event. Like you are the best in the whole wide world.
It's louder.
Goku Tech is the best in the whole wide world. Yes. Phenomenal, yes. Phenomenal.
Hello, people. It's another weekend, and you know we can't rest without serving you something juicy. Today, we have come all the way to Buru at Osu, and we are here to join in the Notion Community Meetup for 2023. It's going to be an exciting event, so let's get in there to see what's happening. Let's go. Yeah, before we go, please make sure you have subscribed to Kweku Tech and kindly like this video, comment and share. Now we can go. Hello ladies. Hi. So my name is Patricia from Kweku Tech and I'm excited about this event, and from the look of things I know you are all excited too. Yeah. So what have you learned so far? I know you were a speaker, so you share what you spoke about and you tell us what you've learned aside that.
Right. I spoke about using Notion for charity projects, and I think from everyone, the rest of the speakers, I've learned. One person just spoke about how he is able to use Notion to track his finances, and I think it's one good thing I'm going to use when I'm doing mine again, and to actually just share a page. You have the chance to share just a page, and I really like the fact that they're asking a lot of questions and they are interested in the topic, and I'm happy that people want to try and use it too. Yes.
Even the speakers are learning more. Let me learn from the learners.
Yes, so the experience of, we are not done yet, but the experience so far has been amazing. I mean, I feel like this should have been flagged a conference, because I mean it's been a whole pack of knowledge, even though we are talking about Notion, but people are bringing it from different perspectives, and it's making it like a rich experience, because we hear people from charity, business. Like the business one, for instance, has really made me like think about how, because I've always struggled with bringing up a business idea, and then there's the fear of not being able to organize my project and all that. But with this kind of clear portfolio and the kind of information you have shared, I feel like I have a direction or something that I can lay on. So I think it's a very great experience, and kudos to the Notion Ghana team.
Kudos. Let me steal your spot over here so that I can get closer to my lady.
Okay, so it's been pretty amazing, and one word I'll give for Notion is flexibility. It's flexible. In fact, it fits everywhere from business to charity. Just think about it and they are there. So just flexibility, that's one word, and it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you want your work organized, if you want things to be in order, like it's the best.
So personally, coming here, I had a lot like in mind, especially when it comes to tech. But then I've also learned something new, especially when it comes to personal branding. And then from the first class, he was the first person that spoke, and he's talked about having to be the face. You know, people trust your face, and so as a person, you have to use your face into leading your brand. So that's one thing I personally would take from this class. And also, I'm not very used to the Notion app, even though my brother has, told me about it several times. And then I think as I've come here, it's really given me a really broad idea about what Notion is. And personally for me, I think that I'll start using Notion, especially with my line of work. Yeah, that's what
we just want to sow.
Okay, so it's been a great event. This is my first time making it to a Notion event, and I've learned a few things from what we spoke about, especially the blue ocean strategy and how one can incorporate it into their own line of work in building themselves up to look lucrative for other people to take them on. So I think it's a great meetup all in all.
Hello, everyone. Is it okay to give like a personal plug? Shameless plug. Hi, I'm Winston. You can find me on Twitter at Winston Lamte, LinkedIn Winston Lamte as well. I'm here at the Notion Ghana Meetup. Lots of speakers coming around, really talking about like very great stuff. I think my favorite so far has been I didn't get his name, but he's from Tech Africa, I think. He was talking about personal branding, and I think one of the quotes that I remember, and I'll definitely keep it, is people knew me before they knew my brand. So he talks a lot about like personal branding, and like the insights from that were just like phenomenal. So I really thank Caleb is his name, yes. So really thank him for that. Yeah.
Kudos to Caleb. You are winning muscles.
Hello, my name is Jeffrey, and I came not too long ago. So, yeah,
So you've not learned much, you say?
not learned much. I'll not say that, but I've been using Notion for a while now, and so far, I feel like the interaction on the app itself is like better than some other ones that I've tried. Because there's, I think, habits, and Notion also has lots of templates like for different things you want to do. But let's say you want to let's say plan out your day or something, like you can get a template for that, and as compared to other ones, not so.
We seem to have a Notion expert here. He will be speaking at the next event.
Hello, my name is Kusijan Texan, Kusijan for short. And what I learned from the one particular aspect I've learned from the presentation so far is that's with branding. I haven't really considered branding much when it comes to Notion. I like the presentation and everything. And from what the guy explained, I think I'll try it out and give it a go. As the years progress, maybe I can maybe be a Notion expert or build templates and all that.
Nice. Make sure you are doing it with Notion, though. Thank you for speaking to me. So I have these two handsome gentlemen who are the brains behind this planning and all that, all the good food that people are enjoying and all that. So how has the event been for you guys?
So far, so good. I would say I'm impressed by the number of people who have actually come, and I'm hoping it grows from here. So, yeah.
Wow. What about you?
Yeah, I agree with him. The number is incredible, but yeah, we obviously want more because looking at the registration, we're expecting a lot of people. Yeah, many people showed interest, but still, we like the attendance, and we hope that we're able to share knowledge among each other, use Notion to do different things. So it's been good.
Any just exclusive on Kweku Tech? What's coming up next from Notion Ghana?
Well, expect bigger and better things in 2024. There are a lot of things in the pipeline. We'll even be going to university, so watch out.
Exclusive on Kweku Tech. Watch
It's
out.
like a politician. Something in the pipeline.
Something in the pipeline.
So for me, 31st night, we'll be praying as we are crossing over. I'll be praying that next year we have like more things in stock, more workshops. I've seen some presentations by our community members, and it's very good. So we'd want them to start training businesses. So we are looking at partnering with businesses and schools. So that's what we are looking for next year.
Wow, that's a lot. Thank you so much for organizing this event for us. We look forward to all these amazing things coming up next year.
Right, thank you.